Hey YouTube, this is JC Shazam123 and I'm gonna show you my iPod Touch. I just bought it yesterday. I just leave it charged for 13 hours. Okay, this is my iPod Touch. My iPod Touch. If you buy your iPod Touch, I'm gonna unbox my iPod Touch. My iPod Touch. I'm gonna show you the bottom, and that's iPod Touch. See? Like it's simple. The boxing is simple. Okay, and then if you buy your iPod Touch, leave it charged for 13 hours because it will break. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it. The boxing is like simple. See, that's my iPod Touch. It's, by the way, my iPod Touch is 8 gigabytes. Kind of low because it costs like $199 plus tax. It costs like 212. And if you buy your iPod Touch, you need to buy an adapter because the adapter doesn't come with adapter. It only has the USB. So if you want to like charge it in your PC or iMac, okay, you could charge it there. Okay, yes, you have your dock. You have your manual. You have your manual, and you have your stickers. See, you have stickers. See, the stickers, the Apple sticker. Okay. I charged my iPod for 20 hours. Okay, I'm gonna charge it. I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, I'm gonna clean up. My iPod. Okay. This is my iPod Touch. Okay. My iPod Touch. I'm gonna take it, and always remember you should buy a case so the back of your iPod Touch is in like scratched. I just bought. My uncle gave it to me. You have to pull it gently. You need to snap it, bend, and get your iPod Touch. Okay, this is my iPod Touch. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, it has like scratch. It doesn't have scratch like this. You can see my camera. Did you see it? You can see it is like blocking the apples. Okay, I turned on my iPod Touch. Okay, I'm gonna put the case on. You should buy like hard case, Vulcan or hard case, because if you have like soft case like rubbers, it kind of break easily. Okay, and there's the Apple iPod 3G. It by the 32 gigabytes, so it has like mic and voice recordings. My iPod Touch here it is. Okay, YouTube, could you see it? Okay, it's kind of loading. See, I downloaded my favorite apps in here. You see it? Okay, it's still loading. And by the way, if you wanna buy like iPod Touch, don't buy in eBay because it has like fake. Okay, if you gonna buy Apple, okay, the iPhone 3GS is selling for $99. So buy now. It's only online. I don't think it sells in the Apple Store. So 23. See, my iPod Touch is iOS 4, and I downloaded my apps. Okay, it's like folders. I have many folders because I have many apps. Okay, that's it for now. This is JC Shazam123, and remember, if you buy an iPod Touch, charge it for 13 hours and buy a adapter. Okay, that's it for now, and this is JC Shazam123. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, YouTube. Wait, before I say bye, I'm gonna show you a song. Hey.
But I want to be. Have you heard the song? Yeah, it sounds like that other song, but it's not. It's this song.